This is an overview of a nighttime fatality collision between a truck, automobile, and van in 2008. The van's driver was changing a flat tire on the van when it was struck by an automobile, then by an 18-wheeler. Interstate 10 in Houston, Texas was under construction at the time of the accident. Aerial photos showed the location of the accident. Bulbs on the vehicles were examined under a microscope to detect if they were working at the time of the collision. The accident vehicles were placed in their approximate impact positions at the ATA Associates facility. Night lighting tests were conducted at a remote site to determine the conspicuity of an exemplar Chevy Malibu similar to the one involved in the accident. A split-screen edit shows the accident site at night and in the daylight. The night footage shows the lack of lighting in the area of the accident.
Construction activities, you can see these lights ahead of us. We have basically, I'm looking at 55 miles an hour in the speedometer. We're coming up on the top of this crest. We've lost the horizon of lighting, and I'm watching out the window, and we're seeing the approximate area of impact coming up right now.